monkey.
Hello?
Say who you are.
You know who I am.
I do, but the people watching don't.
What people?
Those people.
I can't see anybody.
Ugh, let's try again. Hello, I'm Monkey.
I know who you are.
Oh, Robot, you're not getting this at all. I'm Monkey and he's Robot.
Who are you talking to?
Now tell the people where you live.
This is my room. I live at the top of the house.
This is my room. I like mess.
That's true, he does like this.
Oh, now you can see them.
We're best friends.
We're best friends.
Apart from when Monkey gets grumpy.
I never get grumpy.
All right, if you say so. Monkey,
What?
say goodbye to the nice people.
All right then. Goodbye.